I'm so excited about a whiteboard called jamboard.google.com that you can use in your Google Meets. For example, if I were to hit the Present Now tab, I would share my screen with my students, and then I would go to jamboard.google.com, and this is what you would see. Over here is your pen, marker, highlighter, and your brush, and of course you can change colors on it. Eraser, your select tool, sticky note. The sticky note is just this that you can put in there. For example, you could type whatever you want to in it, then click save, and now your kids can see the sticky note that you wrote. You can resize it, you can move it around, and the three little dots over here, you can edit, duplicate, or delete it. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. So you can leave little sticky notes for your kids. You can add an image. You can upload an image, Google image search, go to your drive or your photos, and then you're going to hit select. I've already put in something that our students did this morning. And right now I'm using the eraser tool. And how fast is that to erase? And we can annotate this together. For example, you can go, okay, kids, I want you to write a summary of the paragraph that you read here. And if you see any text features, I want you to label them. And we can annotate this. If you click the share button right here, and if you copy the link, now you can insert that link in your Google Meets in your chat section, and your kids can now annotate with you in real time with that. You can also use the laser to point out something. I love the laser. How cool is that? Over here on the top, you can put a new frame on it. You want to do different backgrounds, you can. For example, this would be perfect for math. Whatever you want to do. You can work out a problem in real time. Once you share that link with your kids, now they can come in and work a lesson. Clear frame, sorry, you just clear it. That is how easy it is to do. And that is called Jamboard. I'm gonna use my laser. That is called jamboard.google.com. Love it.